Hello everyone, in this bulletin of positive news stories, we will share with you stories of strong willpower, dedication, kindness and inspiration. So let's get started with the top positive news stories that can bring smile and joy on your face amid these difficult times. A mother from Patna separated with a 3-year-old son to prepare for UPSC examination and secured 90th rank in Civil Services Exam 2019. Setting an example that nothing can stop one from pursuing one's professional dreams, Anupama Singh from Patna has secured 90th rank in Civil Services Examination 2019. The 32-year-old Anupama Singh is doctor by profession. She had resigned from her medical post in 2018 to concentrate on her preparation for civil services exams. She says that her most difficult job was to move away from her 3-year-old son when she decided to go to Delhi for preparation. She said studying after marriage and kids is tough. Her mother and father-in-law are not alive, so her husband used to take care of their son. She dedicated all her time to studying and preparing notes from newspapers, magazines, journals and books. She says that she has been able to clear the exams in the first attempt itself, maybe because she wanted to return soon to her 5-year-old son at home. She said that all her sacrifices paid off and that she can proudly share her story with her son when he grows up. She said that the thought of making government medical facilities better and stronger for public use has triggered her to get into civil services. Let me share a story of sheer dedication and inspiration in which Vithura police officers turned teachers for children in tribal hamlet in Kerala. Vithura police officers are doing an amazing job of taking classes for students at a tribal hamlet inside the forest in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram district. The reports suggest that these police officers from Vithura police station regularly walk through hills and mountains through the forest to reach the tribal settlement to teach children there. The Janmaitri police station in Vithura turned into a child-friendly station which was inaugurated by Loknath Bechara, Kerala's DGP a month ago. The police had facilities for online classes for students, but parents expressed concerns in difficulty to sending children to their station. The students used to face problems and difficulties in walking through the forest for around 6 kilometers daily to reach the station. This is hilly area and has no motorable route. There were 9 students from 19 families. With the help of tribal activist Dhanya Raman and Additional Director General of Police Manoj Abraham, the police department is now helping these children by sponsoring study center at the hamlet. The police officers have arranged required equipment for the classes like projector, television, tablets, chairs and boards with the help of teachers of Vithura Government Higher Secondary School. And in the meantime, locals built 300 square feet classroom with reeds and bamboo. Station house officer S. Srijit told media that they enjoy being with children and they also like spending time with officers. This is a story of valor and bravery in which a brave attendant saved 3 elderly patients from fire at Ahmedabad hospital. Showing presence of mind and bravery, a 25-year-old attendant saved the lives of 3 elderly patients from a raging fire that broke out at a hospital in Ahmedabad on August 6th. According to fire brigade officials, 8 patients died in the fire. They were all being treated at the ICU ward of the COVID-19 designated Shrey Hospital in the city's Navarangapura area. 8 fire engines and 10 ambulances of the fire department were rushed to the site to douse the fire when it broke out. The police said that there were 11 COVID-19 critical patients in the special ICU chamber on the 4th floor of the hospital. Hospital attendant Chirag Patel said that fire was first spotted by another attendant on the 4th floor of around 3 am. Patel risked his life and saved 3 elderly patients. Patel said that he went to the 4th floor when he saw flames coming out from medical equipment near the patient's bed. He saved the patient's life by dousing the fire immediately. He said that though he went up again to rescue patients, but it was not possible to go inside due to thick smoke and extremely low visibility. Patel further said that he asked other doctors and attendants to go downstairs as they were feeling uneasy due to the smoke. He said that he decided to stay there on the 4th floor and decided to save as many patients' lives as possible. He first lifted an elderly woman patient in his arms and took her downstairs because she could not walk. He then returned to the spot and helped other elderly woman who had fallen down and was unable to walk. He helped her walk down safely along with another male patient. He said that he was glad that he was able to save 3 critical patients. He also said that for him, a patient's life is more important than his own life.